Right. Today, actually, I want to review the synthetic curves with you guys. So in the past few weeks, we have discussed three different types of synthetic curves. So they are Bézier curve, non-rational B-spline curve, and NURBS. Okay, so the slides actually show the governing equations of these three curves. Right. So you may notice that the governing equations actually are similar, right? The equations actually it's a polynomial, right? So total there are n plus 1 terms, okay? And each term is associated with a specific control point. So basically there are total n plus 1 control points. Okay, each term will be the product of the position vector of the control point times corresponding functions. So actually the only difference between these three curves are these functions, they're different. Right? So in the Bézier curves, the function is a Bernstein polynomial. Right? Non-rational B-spline curve, it's the function actually is a non-rational B-spline function. NURBS function is a rational B-spline function. Right? Also, the range of the U is a little bit different. Bézier curve used between 0 to 1, and for non-rational B-spline curve and NURBS, it's more general. U actually it's between 0 and the U maximum. Right. This slide actually show you guys the comparisons of these three different type of curves. Okay, what I want to stress out is those three characteristics. Okay, curve order, right? Bézier curve order is related to the number of control points. Okay, the more control points applied, the higher curve order will be, right? So that's one of the weakness of Bézier curve. Non-rational B-spline curve and NURBS, they actually introduced a new parameter called curve order, K. Okay, K is independent from the number of the control points, right? Regarding the curve control, Bézier curve is global control, okay? So it lacks local control, which is not good, right? Both non-rational B-spline curve and NURBS, they're not global control, okay? They could achieve local control, which are good, right? Regarding the weights of the control points, Bézier curve and non-rational B-spline curve, all these control points, they're equally weighted. They have an equal weights. Okay, NURBS is different. NURBS basically allow the designer to assign the weights to the control points. So that's why NURBS is the most advanced tool in the CAD/CAM system. Right.